KYC, Bee Network and the migration of Bee Network. This is our video today about Bee Network. Right now I can let you after the intro we will continue. Hello guys, good evening or good morning. It depends when you are watching us in the morning or in the evening. You are welcome anytime. Leute von Deutschland, herzlich willkommen. For Italian, Bienvenuti. For French, enchanté. For Spanish, hola. Today we can speak about Bee Network, KYC and Bee Network migration. What will happen actually? Actually, what will happen? It's first we'll start the KYC. Second, we will make the migration, and there are a time, maybe short time, maybe long time between them. But all I know it will be the last KYC for Bee Network, and you must know right now three important things. First thing, I let the article of this video in description box. You can check it. Second thing, it's about if you are a new user, you have follow in description box. You have follow the link to join description box. For new user waiting KYC, you have to join our Telegram group. It's easy to make announcement in Telegram faster than make video and upload it. So you will not lose the KYC. Right now, this is our news from Bee Network KYC. It's coming from Bee Network community update. As you see, KYC slot will open in and be migration. So the first step it will be KYC. Second step it will be migration. It's completely clear about Bee Network. All you have to do right now, just check the article, or if you are new user, just going directly to Bee Network. If you are not a new user waiting KYC, go directly to our Telegram group. For now, that's all about Bee Network. See you soon. Choose